Oh, okay. This is Thursday. I'm aware it's Thursday, but it's gonna be Black Friday specials. So these are wool and cashmere. These are all coatings, and they're gorgeous. They are gorgeous. So let me start. They're all $19.99. Wool and cashmere. This is brown. It's like a bare brown color. You know, not dark, 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 but kind of a bare brown. I'm going to compare it with this third one here, just so that you can start to see the difference. This is a brown, kind of a heathery black brown, where this is a true brown. And so this second one is like a heather, or, you know, kind of a herringbone. You can see the brown combines with this beautifully. This is wool cashmere, the first one. The second one has wool, cashmere, and a little bit of poly in there. It's kind of a blend, and it's got a little bit of cotton in there also. The only reason I know all that is because it was on the tag. So reversible, they're all reversible. They're all wovens. They're all coatings, 5 ounces. They're beautiful. This is a kind of a olive, brown, black combination. This also is a wool cashmere blend. It's beautiful, you guys. $19.99. These are ridiculous. This one is a beige, kind of a taupey color. Very taupey color, actually. And again, it's a wool cashmere blend. Just beautiful. Again, reversible. Goes beautiful with this. So you can see this is a wool cotton blend. I think this also has a little bit of poly in it. But again, look at the beautiful selvage on that for a shawl, for a wrap, for anything like that. And then this last one, sorry about me reaching over here, is an olive green, which is the color, and it also is a cashmere wool blend. Isn't that beautiful? They're just beautiful. I'm so excited. $19.99 today, tomorrow. This is starting our Black Friday fabrics. Happy sewing from Silhouette Patterns.